Hello my friends, welcome to Trading BKS. The first thing is Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri. So I think that there is some changes, right, to the date. Initially it's supposed to be on the 3rd, but then they announced it on the 2nd. But anyhow, the holiday remained the same, right? So Selamat Hari Raya. Have a wonderful time with your family. Do enjoy your balik kampung trip. And if you are out holiday, okay, happy holiday to you. Today we also got video. Okay, we also got video. We want to talk about recovery stock. Okay, so a lot of since we first talked about recovery stock, right? Okay, we picked those recovery stock and we discussed where is the entry or where is the entry, what's the opportunity, and which one got a good prospect. All these things, right? We want to see. As I said, right, I don't want to talk about the stock and forget about it. I just talk one time, shock surgery, forget about it. I want to make sure that later, right, we want to revise. If we lose money, lose money. We have to tell if it's doing fine, okay, we want to see how far it has gone since we first started. So today we want to take a look is of course I cannot cover all the stock I talked before, but those are the important points. Important points. Recovery stock is one of the area that I say it's good to hold for midterm, right? It's good to hold all this stock for the midterm. Okay, so we want to take a look today. Before we start, of course, check out introduction and do remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. You can try CGS-CIMB account. You want to open account, follow the link at the bottom. Fill in the form first. Fill in the form. Want to buy me coffee? Go to coffee.com. Trading BKS. Okay, my Facebook is facebook.com Trading BKS. So quick introduction first. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Okay, let's take a look at recovery stock. We talked about recovery stock some time back, right? So want to see how was the progress, okay, whether or whatever that we our plan actually work or not. Okay, our plan work or not. If it doesn't work, it will show you here my plan all doesn't work. Okay, this one I highlighted all the recovery stock last time. I mentioned during this one chapter. I talked about the recovery stock. Okay, so if it works, I will show you it works. If it doesn't work, I will show you it doesn't work. Okay, first airport. Okay, we talk about airport, right? Because of the opening of the border, because of vaccination. Okay, Malaysia opening the border, all these things, right? So this airport has been reporting, right, more and more passenger, right, more and more passenger coming in, right, more and more passenger traffic, higher traffic, right. So it's a good time to go in, right. So we talk about time to go in is 5.8, 6.1, right. So now the price has gone. How far? Let's say we start from here. We start from here, right, the double bottom. Remember we talked about double bottom here, almost double bottom. Okay, a break of here, we buy, first buy, second buy, right. Now this one is already up to today, right. It's already up 16%. The max it went up is 20%. Okay, so this one, if you took the if you just heard my video, or you want to you watch my video and you think that your research also aligned, right? You think that this is a good price, so you already make almost 20% out of here. BONIA. Okay, BONIA I talk about here at 1.6, right? Around here 1.6. So if you got watch BONIA, if you got buy in, okay, BONIA, if you buy in 1.6, today is 50 over percent, 58% up, 58% up. Okay, 50. Wait. Okay, BONIA is 55% up. If you got buy in at the BONIA is 928, at the place that we start to talk, at the place that we mark for entry, CARLSBERG we mark for entry is here 21 and 21.12 and 21.89 So CARLSBERG didn't go up a lot, CARLSBERG didn't go up a lot. Okay, CARLSBERG is only up from here, right? It's only up like 4%, 4%. Okay, CIMB CIMB, we talk about, I think here. Right, here, right? CIMB, we talk about here. Because this one, I move the arrow already. I moved the arrow. Because of this. This drop. Also, I did move the arrow up here. I forgot to keep the arrow. Because I put the stop loss. I put the stop loss here, right? You see the stop loss, right? I put it here. Probably I start to talk around here, 4 ringgit plus this area. Probably I start here. Somewhere here, I think I start somewhere here. I forgot. Forgot about it. So this one, right? Okay, because stop loss is here. I moved the mark, this one, unfortunately. So probably this one, right? You are also like 20% up already. 20% up to the top here. You take profit 20% up already. Okay, Genting Malaysia, we talk about here first entry, here second entry, right? Genting. So Genting is up 5.99% up to today. 5.99%. They also up 5.99%. Genting Malaysia. Okay, Genting didn't make a lot. Okay, it didn't make a lot. It went back up, it came back down here, but still we are still 2.something% up from our enterprise. Heineken, we talk about here the entry price, right? So it actually pop up from here, pop up until here is 13%. Now it is still up 7%. Okay, Heineken, IGBB, I'm not familiar. This one I didn't draw anything. RET also I didn't draw much. I said this one you go through 1.6, maybe you can try 1.8. So this one haven't go through yet, nothing. MAGNUM. MAGNUM drop. MAGNUM drop. Okay, MAGNUM, if you buy in, maybe you lose already. You lose 8%. Okay, but MAGNUM, remember, if you got watch my video, right? I got say MAGNUM many time. After this video, I got say MAGNUM cannot play already because government is starting to ban this one, right? Government is starting to ban numbers, right? In Kedah, all these things. So I say MAGNUM, all this not very good to buy, right? Not a very good opportunity to buy, not a very good time to buy, But if you got buy in, you lose some, You cannot expect every stock here that I be put is all profit, So there is no maybe you can do it, but I cannot do it, So this one, if you go in, maybe you lose already, Okay, maybe you lose. MAGNUM. Probably here, I cannot remember where was the time. Probably did I put it here? Probably here, But here, if you drop, you already cut loss, You already cut loss. So this one lost, maybe MAGNUM lost. Okay, MAYBANK. Okay, MAYBANK, we talk about here, 8.2, 8.3. These are the area we talk about when you first start to talk. Okay, so MAGNUM, you buy here, you are MAYBANK, you are up 10%. Okay, you are up 10%, up to here 10%. 10%. Public bank, Okay, public bank, we talked about public bank here. Okay, public bank here, we put first entry, second entry. So public bank is up to now, is up 11%, 14% at the top, around 14% at the top. P-Trend didn't do anything. P-Trend is dropped. I think P-Trend, I talked about it somewhere here, somewhere here, right? So the price, this one lost, okay, but you already cut loss. If the price drop, remember we got cut loss, you got cut loss, maybe you lost 5 to 10%. Because 5 to 10% we always run, so this one we lost. Okay, but now it's coming back up, so this one is a loss. Okay, fine. RHB, okay, RHB, we chase RHB here. 5.485, right? This area, first entry, second entry. So RHB up to today is up 14%, right? Up 14%. Okay, TASCO. So TASCO didn't do much. TASCO, we went in here, it dropped. Okay, so this one probably already cut loss. Okay, this one already cut loss. Okay, then now come back up. So TASCO is a loss. P-Trend is a loss. MAGNUM probably is a loss. So you got 3 loss. Others are all profit. Others are all profit up. Also, it's not that difficult, right? It's not that difficult to make money from the market, right? If you know the sentiment, okay? You know the sentiment, what a sentiment now, right? Recovery stock this year, right? The sentiment, And the big picture is recovery stock. Okay, because our market has been devastated by COVID. Now we are going to recover, right? Recovering stage. So recovery stock is naturally is the place you want to invest. For midterm mid means longer term For us, we don't play 10 years midterm means a few months to 1 year. So this one midterm. Okay, so this one is most of it already up or some loss. Nobody can invest 100 stock and 100 stock also profit. If you can do it, I congratulate you. But I cannot do it. So this one probably now what you want to do is you want to manage your stock only. Manage them. Take some half profit. If you go very high 20%, already take half profit. I take profit first. Wait for it to drop back down, rebound, then you can buy again because it's still recovery. It's still early in the year. Now it's only May, right? Normally market pick up at the end of the year, right? So May now it's still early. Probably there's still some room to grow, right? Because market pick right at the end of the year, right? September, November, December. There's a peak after January. The market will drop. You know Chinese New Year drop, Chinese New Year drop. Okay, so market might pick up during that time. So there is opportunity for you to take some profit, wait for it to drop and buy in again and take and make some more So now we have to manage once you have all this stock, right? You just need to manage them only. If we profit a lot already, you take profit first, take some profit first. At least take some profit first. So there's strategy to follow up. So there's not that difficult. Of course you have to do the homework. Okay, you need to know the sentiment, what is in play this year, or what is in play this year. You need to know how to see the chart. Where is the opportunity? Where is the danger? What is the sentiment now, and what is the history telling us? So from the chart we can see what the actual big picture, the picture is showing us what to do or what is next, what should be next. We don't guarantee what will happen next, but at least we have an idea what is going to happen next, right? Okay. So this one, recovery stock this year, okay, continue to play, okay, looks fine. Probably they still got chance coming in the end of the year, or probably end of the year, construction property is going to come back also. Also, we have to continue to monitor okay. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Stay safe from COVID. Selamat Hari Raya, Aidilfitri. Stay safe. Bye bye.